The rain may have stopped outdoor growing today, but these chili plants still need more space. Good afternoon, good evening, good night everybody. A happy Wednesday to you all. It is Wednesday the 3rd of June 2026 and it is day 108 of the Chilli Grow Up. The weather outside is crazy, it's raining, pouring down, the winds are too strong for the plants, so they've stayed in today. I want to get them as much sun as possible, but today is just not really an option. So what we're going to do today, we're going to have a quick check through the plants that are still in the cups, and if there's any that need transplanting, we're going to transplant them right away. Other than that, I hope you're having a wonderful week so far and you're having a great Wednesday. Me and Lucy have just returned back from the vets, so she is, I don't know if you can hear her snoring, she is spark out. It takes it out of her a little bit. I'm sure it does with most dogs, having needles jabbed in you and what have you, and injections and stuff, especially at her age. I mean, she's over 80 in human years now, aren't you, child? I mean, look, she's out for the count. Let's do this. Let's start day 108. So I've got these two Scotch Bonnet MOAs. They're the last ones that are in the cups. And I can tell you right now, tomorrow, I've got to transplant them into bigger pots. Firstly, these leaves are just phenomenal. The stem is great, thick stem, lots of new shoots coming out. But look at these roots. Here we go. The bottom's getting full. Yeah, definitely time for that one. Let's check in on this one. Just the same, not as tall, nowhere near as tall as you can see there. Lots of leaves though, a lot more action going on down the middle of the stem. Lots more there, but look at these roots. The cup is overflowing. Yep. So tomorrow for sure, the Scotch Bonnet MOAs will be transplanted into bigger pots. Sugar Rush Peach Stripies, and in my opinion they've all bounced back. They were really looking quite sad at some point, but a few days outside, even though it's not been the most sunniest, it's looking good, looking great. Let's have a quick check through the roots. Fantastic. It's going to be ready soon, isn't it? The second one. Lots going on in the middle there, look. Coming along nicely. Got a root out the bottom there. And this is our tallest one. By far, we've got all kinds of stuff going on there. Buds and shoots. Beautiful. And the roots. Just fantastic. Definitely need a transplant soon. I want to try and hold on until all four are ready, and then we're going to do a good video getting all four of them done at the same time. Yeah, they're looking good though. By next week for sure. The Sugar Rush Peach Stripies. Black jalapeños, and look how well they've done. I'm going to say 2-3 weeks ago, one of them, I can't remember which one, was about here, and the other one, oh, he knocked it over, was about here. So they've just flourished outside. They've done so well. Marvellous. Looking great. And look at those roots. Look at them hanging out the bottom. So, in my opinion, this one is probably ready for a transplant now. But with this one, as beautiful as it's looking, it needs a little bit more time. Look, just a tiny bit more time to get these roots through. So what I'd like to do, maybe 2 more days. Okay, so we know now that Scotch Bonnet MOAs are tomorrow. That's Thursday, and then Friday, let's get these black jalapeños transplanted. I have the 4 Zebrange here. Just perfect. The fact that we've got things going on like that down here, it's just nuts. Very, very vibrant colours here. Lovely bacotums. But slow movers on the roots. They are really blasting on the sides, but I need a bit more down the bottom. I think one of them has a lot better root system than the others. You see this one, we need a lot more time. Not a lot more, but it needs to get a lot more roots. That's looking good, isn't it, in the middle? Get in there, look, get in there. And this is our tallest. I think this one has done really well on its roots. Yeah, that's looking alright, but a bit more time on these 4, but not too long. They're coming along great, aren't they? The Zebrange and Zimbabwe Black. Getting really bushy now. Really growing out. Lovely stuff. Those roots are doing good. A bit more time. Hopefully it'll grow a bit taller. The Zimbabwe Black Carolina Reaper. Very nice indeed. New stuff on the top there. Marvellous. Not too long. Need a bit more time, but not too long. Honestly, very, very soon on the Carolina Reaper. Got these dream catchers. Let's start with these 2. I don't know if it's bouncing back or not. I still think it's an overwatering issue. So we just need the cup to kind of dry out. And it would have had the chance if it had been outside, but of course with this weather, have not been able to. This one's looking a bit better. I don't know. So I think we've definitely got 2 casualties here on the dream catchers. So let's move them aside for now. And we can focus on these 3 because I think they're doing a lot better. It's funny, I had the maintenance guy around the other day and he thought these were different plants. And I can see exactly what he means, but I assured him they're chilies. Want to keep everything nice and legal in this company and channel. Absolutely lovely stuff. Look at that root, fantastic. So I think what we're going to need to do with these dream catchers is just give them a little bit more time. Pretty much ready. I just want to get this one filled a bit more, as well as I think so. Oh goodness me, look at all of that. Yeah, so we're going to wait a little bit for these 2 to develop some more roots. This one's nice and ready with that root out the bottom, but we're going to wait on these 2 and we'll just give a bit of time on these 2. But 3 out of 5 ain't bad on the drink. We have our 2 remaining Tabascos that are in the cups still. And honestly, in the next few days, they're going to have to go. I'm going to get them a little bit more time in these cups. Just a day or 2. Just to fill that bottom a little bit more. But they are doing fantastic. Really, really well. So I just want to get a bit more on the sides. A little bit more on the bottom, but next few days for sure on the Tabascos. So after checking through, I've decided the Habanero, a short Habanero with a crazy root system. It's going to need a transplant, as well as our final Buena Mulata. It's looking lovely. Really, really nice. Look at that, it's growing off the side there. See, that's the stem. Lovely stuff. And look at all this. These roots are going wild on the bottom now. I can't let it grow out the cup anymore. So time for a transplant as well on the Buena Mulata. And then this Zebrange, the tallest Zebrange. These roots. It's just crazy. Cannot let this grow anymore. I know the other 3 Zebrange are doing absolutely fine. It's just this one, for some reason, has just bloomed, right? So let's get these 3 all upgraded and transplanted into bigger pots. The 3 plants I've put them all in their individual pots, and I've put soil all around the edges, packed it down nice and tight. Not too tight that the roots won't grow, but loose enough that I'll be able to lift the pots out and leave the perfect gap there for them to then come out of the cups and straight back in. Let's go with the habanero first. Little twist. There we go. Goes over the top there. Turn them over. A little bit of a squeeze. And out it comes. Look at all those roots. Beautiful. Straight into the pot. Push them down. A little bit of pressure. There we go. Oh, lost a leaf. Habanero. All set and ready in a bigger pot. The same for the Buena Mulata. Little twist and pull. Over the top. Turn them over. A little squeeze. And look at all those roots. Beautiful. Straight into the pot. Little push. There we go. Buena Mulata. Same with the Zebrange. Little twist and pull. All set and ready. Wow. Look at that. Beautiful. Place them straight in. Push them down. There we go. The Zebrange in the bigger pot. So there we go. The habanero, the Buena Mulata, and the Zebrange. Looking great, as is everything else. I think some of these potted ones, we'll have a good look at these tomorrow on the next transplant video, because some of these are growing absolutely wild. Beautiful, beautiful. That wraps up the day, everybody. I just want to thank you all, as always, for joining us on our journey. Please don't forget, if you're enjoying this and you want to continue seeing our daily vlog, don't forget to hit that notification bell, like, share, subscribe. We'll keep you posted from seed to harvest. Thank you all so much for taking some time out of your life to come and join me and Lucy on our little Chilli grow up. Thank you all once again. You take care of yourselves, okay? Make sure you look after me, myself and I, because no one's going to throw you a lifeline if you're drowning. Take care, everybody. Thank you all so much. Have a great week. Have a great Wednesday, and we'll see you all tomorrow. See you Thursday. Thank you all. Bye-bye.